not videotaping this thing.
Jen thinks this is our anniversary present.
I got a box!
Got a box.
Aww.
What did it reveal what it was?
Yes. Oh.
I told you it was
Very fragile. Very fragile. Oh, this is pretty.
Now, why did I want you out here?
Because you want to put it right
Because it's actually this. We have a one-winged hummingbird. And this is a two-winged hummingbird. And that's bigger than that one.
Yeah, it is. It's
I thought, looking at the picture, I just thought it was like a prism. But I thought it was the same bird. I was trying to match the bird.
This is gorgeous. It's a little bit more durable than that.
Good.
I don't want to drop it. Thank
Don't drop
you.
it. I think you have to take the other one off.
Yeah.
We got birds in our front yard that are like doing a weird thing. What the hell is that? What is that?
I think they're trying to.
Are they trying to say?
She said no.
Okay, that's it. Party time's over. Oh. I don't know what this dude is up here. I don't know what he's up to. But he just wants to sit around. I don't know what the hell he's doing. If anybody has any idea of what's going on with these birds, let me know. This is really weird behavior for birds. Especially when I can get this close to them and not. He's not even fazed by me. He didn't even care. And you can see that he's been back here a lot because there's poop all around this corner. Yeah, this bird is like totally not fazed at me at all. With me just looking at him like this. No, he's not fazed at me at all. Nothing. I don't know. I don't think this bird.